So guys, I ordered a thing and it actually came today, so let me show you what it is. As you see from the title above, I'm doing an unboxing of a MunchPak. If you guys don't know what a MunchPak is, basically it's a subscription-based loot box where basically every month you get a different sort of snacks, different treats from different parts of the world, and also a drink. So if you guys want to sign up for one, it's free. Also, it's my first one. So this video is actually not endorsed or sponsored by any company, not MunchPak. Basically, I'm just doing it out of my own will. So this just seemed interesting to me, so I actually wanted to open it up, guys, show you guys what's inside. So this is for the September box. Every month is a different, like I said, different snack, different treats. So let's get into it. So let's see what this is all about. Let's see how do I open this. Alright, cool. So inside there's a little instructions telling you basically where these snacks are from. So let's see here. This is from Chile, Spain, Japan, and more. Oh cool, so inside it actually gives you a kind of like a catalog of what's inside the actual box. So you see here there's different snacks. It gives you a little like, I guess, a description of what each snack is about, with different types of snacks here. There's a couple pages too. So I actually ordered the 10 snack option and also with a drink inside. So I guess that's my drink right there, soda, whatever it is. So let's start with the snacks first, because soda I like to do it at the end, because obviously I get thirsty after eating these stuff, so I want to be able to quench my thirst at the end. So let's figure it out. So the first one's gonna be looks like a salt and vinegar chip from Holland or from Amsterdam. It's called Old Dutch. I'm guessing it is from. Let's see. Let's try it out. So this is the Old Dutch. I actually just opened it. It's the chip over here. Looks pretty cool. I really don't eat salt and vinegar chips really much, but it does remind me of the taste of Pringles, to be honest. It's just pretty good. I like it. Like, I could probably see myself eating this. Wow, this is actually really good. You can definitely taste like there's a lot of vinegar in this. Like, usually it's kind of subtle sometimes, but this one's actually like a lot. It's pretty good. So let's move on to the next one. This one we have the Deca waffle roll. Like this. So it's like a kind of like a generic. Well, actually, not, I wouldn't say generic, but it's basically like a waffle style, I guess, snack. Inside it has sweet potato here. I think ube, I don't know what that's where it's from. Sponsored by the Real Madrid team right there. Huh. Alright, let's see. Oh, wow, this is pretty cool. Look. So this is kind of like like a little roll inside of its sweet potato. It has nice purple color in there. Look at that. Check it out. Whoa. Hold on. Whoa, this is super good. Wow. You have a small filling of the sweet potato inside. It's not too overpowering, so you have a little subtle taste. So as soon as you crunch into this, taste the waffle, but as soon as you bite your teeth into this, full flavor time. Yeah, it's freaking awesome. Like, snap into this, boom, inside the purple filling. It's freaking dope. So actually, the Old Dutch is actually a Canadian snack. All right, so let's see. Oh wow, so we got some Sour Patches in this. I'm guessing this is like something from Canada or from the US, basically. It's called Maynard's. Oh yeah, this is like regular Sour Patches. One of my favorite ones. I love the blue ones. Pretty sure everyone loves the blue ones, like blue raspberry, something like that. Also, yeah, so see, this is from Canada again. Everything looks the same pretty much, but the only difference, I guess, is like maybe some of the flavors is slight difference. Oh no. Yeah, you taste the difference. Super sweet. Still pretty good though. So far, this is actually winning first place. Second is Old Dutch, and then obviously third is Sour Patch. Just because like it's good, but I'm so used to these flavors. So for me, it's not something crazy, something adventurous. So it's alright. So the one thing that I really like about this box is that when you travel different countries, you also want to be able to know what candies or what snacks are pretty good. You know, obviously when you travel, you won't be able to read the packaging or you won't know what it is. But if you buy the MunchPak, you're able to, you know, experience or expose yourself to different types of food, different candies. So when you do travel to that, let's say that country, you kind of already know, all right, cool, I tried that already. I want to try this again because it was really good, or stuff like that. Or, oh, I tried that once, all right. So you have at least some type of like, you know, changing your palate. So you something, you know, you never tried before. So I definitely recommend this box already. I mean, we'll still keep going, see how my opinion changes throughout the end, but so far it's pretty good. So guys, I actually went back to looking at this. It's actually from Indonesia. It's pretty crazy. I didn't know it was actually from there. Wow, that's pretty cool. Because it says it comes in 3 different variations, and I found this one. I'm like, oh wow, this is from Indonesia. This is freaking awesome. It's so cool. So yeah, so we left off after the Sour Patches. So the next one's gonna be in South Korean treats called Yuja Cheesecake. So this is actually pretty cool. So I'm actually kind of happy I can read that. 안녕하세요 for all my Korean subscribers. Let's try this out. So it looks like a little like, kind of like a cracker, but it's not. The texture is kind of like a pastry for sure. So let's actually open it up. So inside you can see like it's a yellowish, kind of like a jam in there, a cream type of thing in there. It's really good. So it's really sweet. It reminds me of like a cheesecake type of thing, but I don't know what flavor it is. I'm just double check what it is, but I think from me tasting it's kind of like a banana. Also, it doesn't really explain to you what it is, but this cheesecake cookie is pretty good. It's really sweet. Now, based on everything else, I would say it's 3rd place so far. It's really, really different. I never really tried something like this before. Nice soft texture, really chewy. This is the only thing is it's a little small, so I can just eat that like right away. But then again, it's a snack, so I understand why. But it's really good though. I like it. So the next one is actually the Polish snack, which is called, pretty sure all of us know what it is, Nutella. So this is a different variation of Nutella I haven't seen in the States yet. So it's actually probably maybe exclusively only from Poland. So it gives you like the kind of a look of like a tall kind of skinny cookie, but inside I guess is like you have Nutella. Let's see what it looks like. Oh wow, so look at the packaging. Kind of strange. So the packaging within the packaging. So I guess this is pretty cool because you can actually take this to go. So you have 2 of them in there. So if you want to split, like say you and your friend, you want to give it to someone else, you can give them one, have one for yourself. So let's open it again and see what's inside. Oh, cool. So it's like it's like a cool cookie with the end on it. I guess to signify to that little end on it to I guess represent Nutella. So it's pretty cool. Nice firm texture in there. Let's see if I can crack it. Boom. Cracks open easy. See right in that little hole. It's like in there, but definitely Nutella. The same Nutella taste. I don't know how I feel about this cracker. Cracker is or the wafer part. It's really thin. So go for it. Boom. Cracks open. Nice chocolatey feeling. The only thing is that like when I crack into this, you see like little bits of the cracker in there. You have a little bits of like I guess like the other ingredients in here, like I guess like nuts in there. So just in case you're allergic, just be aware it has nuts in it. But so far so good. I like it. It's not really something like wow, it's amazing, but it's tasty. So I mean, if I see it, I'll be like, oh cool, I know what it is. I'll take one. But like while I go on my way to eat this, like actually buy from the store, I guess I'm just so used to like Nutella, but. Don't get me wrong, it's good. It's just that it's not like a wow factor to me, to be honest. So I can't really say wow, it's crazy, but it's something, I wouldn't say it's the best, but it's alright. So this one's actually something I've seen before. It's actually from Chile. So I've eaten something similar to this, and I've actually seen this packaging before. It's in Spanish. It's called Fruele. Gomitas. So it's like fruit gummies. Even here, it tells you like up front, which is actually I fail to see this in like in American candy, but it tells you up front like it's a lot of sugars. It's in Spanish. Sorry, no, yeah. So alto en azúcares, alto en calorías. So it's like a lot of calories, a lot of sugar in there. So give you a heads up as to like what what you're preparing to eat. So Okay, yeah, so these are like, if you guys go to like bodegas or like, you know, like corner stores, they have something similar like this. You know, the I guess like caramel, sorry, try to speak English. Little candies in there, but this is actually gummy, because I know the ones I used to eat, they're like hard. This one's actually really soft, has some, you can see the sugar on it. So let's see, this is gonna be, what flavor is this? This is, let me see if I can find the wrapper, sabor. Oh, so it just says like, I'm guessing from the wrapper, it could be strawberry, just because I want cherries a little darker red, so I'm just like strawberry. Let me taste it out. Yep, definitely tastes like strawberry. So it gives you like the texture of a gummy worm, or pretty much any gummy candy. There's like gel inside of the fruit, or the fruit inside. It's really small. It's not overwhelming, but I do like it. I definitely would eat this. So this is the green one, which I can only think it's like green apple. But let's try it out. Oh no! It's just, I don't know. I don't think it's apple. It's yellow now. It's a green wrapper with yellow, so I think it might be lime. I think. Yeah, lime. Definitely lime. Nothing like apple. No. It's good because like it's not too much gel inside. As you bite into it, you're like, oh wow, you can taste all that gel in there. But it's a small amount, which is pretty good because you still get all the flavors. You still get all like the texture of it, so it's still good. But the thing is, like, me, like, would I get this on my own? Probably, maybe more than Nutella, that for sure. So let's go to the next one. So guys, this is our next snack. It's the cookies and cream wafer bites. This is actually from Italy. It's pretty cool. A cute little package here. Let's open it up. Look at that. Oh wow, it looks like a really dark chocolate snack. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Yeah, it's a really dark chocolate. It's really cool. Reminds me like one of the cereals that we have here in the US. It's pretty good, but for me, it's just too much dark chocolate. Like, I just feel like after a while, it just becomes a little bitter. But like, I don't mind eating this. This is pretty good, but not one of my favorite ones. And I noticed that there's not that much cream inside. So next one's a Japanese treat. You see a little Doraemon in front of the little packaging right there. That's pretty cool. So this one I believe is ice cream. Let's see. Oh, the piece broke off, but that's fine. Oh, it's like a cheese thing. Yeah, kind of like a cheese doodle. Not as orangey, not as... It's still, you taste the cheese for sure. It's alright. It's not the best. I actually thought it tasted much better, but I wish it had cream inside at least. But it's alright. Just cheese. I'm not that fond of cheese doodle products, where they're just really too cheesy, but this is alright. Like, I wouldn't really buy it. I can tell a lot of people like this, but for me personally, I just don't like this too much cheesy taste to it. But it's a good try though. And then still too much cheesy. I can't. So we have 2 more left before we get to our soda. So this is the Chicky Crisp. Chicky Crispy. So this is like a chocolate bar with a cookie on top. This is actually from Costa Rica. This is actually close to my native country, well, Nicaragua, but it's something I've seen before, but let's see what it tastes like. Okay, it's like a traditional like biscuit type of cookie. Has a little chocolate layer inside. Actually, 2 chocolate layers inside, I thought. So it's pretty cool. It has like, the printing on it is called Chicky. So let's give it a try. It is really good. Oh my gosh. You'd think the waffle would be really thick, but it's actually not that thick. And it just falls apart when you put it in your mouth. It's really good. So you can break it up, see if you want to eat like 1 waffle at a time. Or you can just eat it all together, like a whole sandwich. But so, I think it's designed to, you know, take it apart so it lasts longer. So I believe it comes with like, how many more? Okay, so it comes with like about 3 of them. And you can just take them apart like if you want to share with friends, or if you want to eat them in 1 gulp, you can do that too. So here you can see the chocolate layer. It's good, not too much chocolate, because you never want to have too much chocolate because it starts becoming bitter. But this is actually really good. I actually really like this one. Definitely better than Japanese one. Sorry guys, but this is better than the cheese doodle thing I just ate, but it's really good. Last but not least, we have our drink, and the last candy we have is like this sour smudge ball. This is actually from Pakistan. It's kind of like a warhead type of thing. You pop it in the mouth, it's probably super sour. So
Also, you can't really bite into it. It's just something you get to lick until it becomes small and, you know, and then it disappears. I think it'll taste good, but the problem is that with me and these candies, I don't really enjoy them because I want to actually chew on them. So it's alright. Not really too much a fan of this. So you see the little detail there. It's like a little ball with some specks on it. It's alright. Honestly, not one of my favorites. Alright guys, so last but not least is the soda, which I got. This is actually from Japan. It's called Japanese cola. This is the, I guess, the Pepsi version of it over there. So I normally in Japan, sodas actually are much healthier. Also because there's something with like the sugar. I know in the UK, a lot of sugars actually taste different because they tax on sugar. So I know I guess they're much healthier compared to the US counterpart, but it's actually pretty interesting to see. It says Japan Cola. Okay, cool. So let's try this out. Oh yeah, this is really good. So it gives you a similar taste to the regular Pepsi here in the US, but you can tell there's not that much sugar in it. It reminds me of like a Pepsi Cola Zero, or the diet version of it. I honestly like this better than the original, to be honest. So this is pretty good. This is pretty interesting to see. Like you see here, the actual text of it. It's in katakana, so you can see Japan. Let's see, Japan original taste. So Japan's original taste. So guys, that concludes our MunchPak for September. So basically, this is a subscription-based product. You can order one every month. It's pretty cool. There's different snacks from different parts of the world. I really enjoyed it because it gave me different snacks that I would have never actually figured out unless I traveled to that country. So at least now I have an idea of what to try, what not to buy when I'm in, let's say, for example, Canada or Pakistan, South Korea, etc. So it's a good way to be able to expand your palate, be able to try different treats from different parts of the world. So I recommend you guys, you know, try it out at least once. If you guys don't like it, you can always unsubscribe too. So you always have that option. And I'm actually doing another like a Loot Crate type of box next week. It's coming this Saturday actually. It's called Snack Crate. We're basically, unlike this MunchPak, which is basically snacks from all different parts of the world, it's actually specific to a country. So the next one, I believe it's Germany or actually a state, Hawaii. So I gotta double check, make sure what it is. But definitely when I get in, I'll give you guys another video of that. So stay tuned for other, you know, reviews for food, restaurants, travel vlogs, travel videos. So guys, it was awesome to be able to show you guys what this was about. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and see you guys later.